Hi guys, this is Josh Shake here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of the Vivo Y11 or the Vivo 1906. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Josh here again, and what we have today is the Y11, which is the Vivo Y11. So we're going to do the unboxing. Yes, and okay, so this is the package. Yes, it is not open yet, so we're going to unbox it all together. So in front, you can see here the Y11 logo here and also the phone itself. So it's in red, and it's also said here 5000 milliamp battery. And on the side, so you don't see any specifications, just the Vivo brand and also the Y11 at the bottom. And at the back, so you can see here the 5000 milliamp battery, and it's also 6.35-inch Halo full view display and the AI dual camera. So let's open here, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is now the box. So let's unbox it. So this is just a typical Vivo phone that Vivo box that you get. Oh, it's a little bit hard to open. Oh, I think we still have to remove the seal here. Yeah, so it's really fresh, guys. So it is not open yet. So and then let's try to. All right. So upon opening the box, guys, so you can see here the another case in white. So we have here the Vivo Y11 case. Nice. And we also have here the SIM ejector tool here. And the typical manual that you get. And this is the manual, and also this is the warranty. And okay, we have here I'm gonna tell you here the product technical specifications. So we have the product name, which is the Vivo 1906. And the front camera, it supports 8 megapixels, and the rear, it has 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels, and the battery is 5000 milliamperes, and the dimension is 159.43 by 76.77, and the screen is 16.15 centimeters by 720. Yes, so I actually got this, guys, for around 6,490. Yeah, actually I just borrowed it from someone, so yeah, and I asked them that I will unbox it. Okay, so we have here the typical manual that you have in different languages. And all right, we have now here the phone itself. Ta-da. Wow, it looks and feels good, guys. So we will set this aside. And then we have here, I think this is the warranty. Actually, the woman was, or the salesperson was actually asking us to return this one. I think they really need this, so I think I will give it back to them. And the other cartoon. And we have here the Vivo charger. And we have here the USB cable. So this is just the micro USB, guys, cable. It's not type C. Yeah, it is not type C, guys. And nothing more. Alright, so let's try to have our phone. Let's try to open it. Maybe you just have to slide it like this. And ta-da! So we already have our Vivo Y11 in mineral blue. It looks nice, guys. Although it's like fingerprint magnet, I say. So in front, we have here the camera, and at the back, so you have here the dual camera, and it also supports the fingerprint sensor. And at the bottom is you can see here the 3.5 millimeter jack and the microphone, and also the charging cable and the volume, no, the speaker grill. And on the right, so you have here the power button and the volume rocker. And on the left, so you have here the SIM tray. And on top, there's nothing. Yeah, so we have here, guys, and again in mineral blue. Yes, it looks nice, guys. It looks like shimmering. So we are going to turn on our Vivo Y11. Right, guys, so now it's already on. So let's try to set up our phone. So let's just try to skip. Alright, guys, so this is now our Vivo Y11, and this is the home screen. And here are the applications. So let's try to look at the camera. By the way, guys, so the phone that we have, it's already like it has 3 GB of RAM and with 32 gigabytes of room. Yes. So let's try to take a picture of our Y11 and see if let's try to see the result. Alright, guys, so this is the sample of our Y11. And yeah, I think, guys, for the price, it captures decent shots. So I don't think I don't think that this is really good, but considering the price, it's not bad at all. And especially this time, so I think we need to have a phone that does not really cost so much. So the camera, guys, it has the video also, and let's see, it can support about up to 1080p. Yes, for the video. Yes. And so far, guys, it's just okay for the price also. And the backside is nice. Yeah, it looks like glass, but I think it's not glass, guys. It's just made of plastic. Alright, so just let me know, guys, about your thoughts about this product. And then if you have it, just kindly share your experience of this smartphone. Alright, so I'm going to test this one for 1 week, and I will let you know if it is worth the price. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on my next video.